In 160 seconds, you will decide how this story ends. This is a story about us, the indoor generation. A generation that spends 90% of its life indoors. It all started the day we left nature behind. We filled our homes with lovely things and all the stuff we wanted. Our homes became places you would never want to leave. Artificial light replaced daylight, and we built our houses so that nothing could escape. We cooked and showered, breathed and played, slept and sweated. But we had closed ourselves in to a point where nothing could get out. So when the air turned bad inside, we tried fixing it with chemicals. And we put in little artificial suns everywhere to make the darkness bearable. That's when things started to happen. Hard to notice in the beginning. Some needed help to sleep, to breathe, to not itch. Many of us even started to feel sad. So we turned on happy lamps to make the sadness go away. Then, scientists discovered that the air inside our homes is up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside. And that the lack of daylight can affect children's learning and increase blood pressure. It turns out that kids' rooms often have the highest concentration of toxicants in the house. In fact, millions of homes are unhealthy to live in. They discovered that living in damp and moldy homes increases the risk of asthma by 40%. And I learned that millions of people like me suffer from asthma and allergies caused by a bad indoor environment. And so, here we are. How the story ends is up to you, because it's not written yet. If you care about the indoor generation, do something. Begin to think and live differently. Let light and fresh air into your life again. Even small changes can make a huge difference for coming generations. Learn how at theindoorgeneration.com.
How can we live a cleaner and a healthier life? Just look to the world around us. The earth uses water to cleanse itself of surface dirt, airborne particulates, dust, and man-made contaminants. That's how Mother Nature works. But what about inside your home? Wouldn't it be nice to clean your home in the most natural way possible? We designed the Ritello home cleaning system to do just that. Inspired by Mother Nature's concept, the Ritello uses one of its most powerful elements, water, to trap all unwanted dust, dirt, and contaminants, eliminates odors inside its unique water basin, leaving behind a cleaner and healthier home for your family. The Ritello has been proven to significantly reduce airborne allergens such as dust mites, pet dander, and pollen, as well as irritants such as smoke, odors, and other unpleasant substances. The Center of Preventative Medicine has tested the Ritello, and based on their recommendation, the Ritello is now certified as being a health product by the ZPMed organization in Germany. It has also been tested and certified by the Ministry of Health in Italy as a medical product and is recommended to those who suffer from allergen and other irritants that commonly trigger asthma and allergic reactions. The ultimate cleaning system for your family. Ritello, the power of nature.